Hello students, I hope you all are keeping well. So everyone, welcome back to your online classes. Today we will start with a new topic, that is a treat for mosquitoes. Page number 67, chapter 8. So in this chapter we are going to learn about a treat for mosquitoes, okay? So first thing that you have to understand is, what does it mean when we say a treat for mosquitoes? A treat means a special food or drink that causes special pleasure or delight, okay? And what will be that special drink for mosquitoes? It is our blood. And if we give a treat to the mosquitoes, we are definitely going to suffer, okay? So in this chapter we are going to learn about mosquitoes spread diseases, and in detail we are going to learn about malaria, its symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and prevention. So alright, we will begin. Blood test. So first here are four friends, okay? Here are four friends named Jaskirat, Rajat, Nancy, Aarti, okay? They all are classmates and they all are friends. Blood test. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I'm all right, Rajat replied softly. So now Rajat was absent for many days. So today he came back to the school, okay? So now his friend Aarti is asking that now how is her health, okay? Now and then Rajat replies in a soft voice that now he is all right, okay? Jaskirat, you must have played a lot while you were at home. Then Jaskirat is saying to Rajat that when Rajat was at home, he must have played a lot when Rajat was at home, okay? Rajat, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. So Rajat is saying to Jaskirat that when someone is having fever, then who wants to play, okay? Because when a person is having fever, they will have pain, so no one wants to play, okay? And he was having fever also, so he has to, along with fever, he has to take a bitter medicine, and he even had to do a blood test. Jaskirat, a blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Jaskirat is saying to Rajat that then why did you do the blood test, okay? And when Rajat was doing the blood test, it must have been very painful. Rajat, actually, when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. So when Rajat went for blood test, the doctor pricked in his finger, okay? So that time no, he was not having pain. He just felt like an ant bite in his finger, okay? So from that finger they took 2 to 3 drops of blood, and that blood they sent for testing. And from that blood test only Rajat came to know that he had malaria, okay? Nancy, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we find out by the blood test. And Nancy is saying to Rajat that when a mosquito bites, we usually get malaria. And Rajat is saying to Nancy that yes, from blood test only Rajat came to know that he had malaria. Jaskirat, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Then Jaskirat is saying to Rajat that in Jaskirat house also there are many mosquitoes, okay, but Jaskirat is not having malaria. Nancy, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. Then Nancy is saying to says that who has said that every mosquito bite causes malaria? When the mosquito spreads disease, that time only people gets malaria. Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same to me. Rajat, there must be some difference. Then Aarti is saying that all the mosquitoes look same to Aarti, but there are different kinds of mosquitoes, okay. So here in the picture you can see taking the blood on the glass slide for test. Malaria spreads to female mosquitoes. That is, every mosquitoes doesn't spread malaria, okay, doesn't spread diseases. Only the female mosquitoes, that is called Anopheles, okay. That female mosquitoes only spreads malaria. So here you can see in the picture they are taking the blood, okay, from here finger, from the tip of the finger. Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the microscope. Then here you can see the Dr. Mariam is under microscope. He is seeing the blood. This microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. So when you see anything from microscope, you will see the things bigger, okay, 1,000 times bigger. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. So from that microscope, inside the blood, what are the things are there that can be seen from the microscope? There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. So, and there are some microscopes from which we can even look more bigger than this. Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? So Nancy is asking to Rajat that whether the doctor has taken the blood from where the mosquito has bitten him. So let's see what Rajat replies. Of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? So Rajat is saying to Nancy that because we doesn't know, right? Where and when mosquito comes and bites us, we doesn't know. So obviously they doesn't take out blood from where the mosquito has bitten us, okay. From Rajat's finger only they have taken the blood, not from where the mosquito has bitten him. Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by a blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? So Nancy is asking to Rajat that how did they come to know from your blood test that Rajat is having malaria? So then she is also saying that did they see anything in the blood? Nancy is asking to Rajat. Okay, so here are some exercises. Let's do. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? Who has had malaria? So if you have seen, then you have to write the answer yes. How did they find out that they had malaria? So by blood test only they will come to know that the people is having malaria. So what other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? sorry, what problems did they have on having malaria? So while having malaria, what were the problems they had to face? So I'll give you example. When my friend, when she was suffering from malaria, she got high fever and she became too weak. Okay, what other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? So except malaria, what other diseases can be caused when mosquito bites us? So like diseases like Zika virus, West Nile virus, dengue we get. Okay, in which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? So malaria is seen more commonly during rainy season. Why? Because that is their breeding time for mosquitoes. Okay, what do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Also find out from your friends about what they do. So in your house, in order to protect yourself from mosquito bites, so usually what do? You have to write. Okay, also find out from your friends, and you have to ask your friends also what they will do. Okay, so most people, what they do to protect themselves from mosquitoes, they use mosquito repellent. Okay, and some they use mosquito nets, some they use mosquito repellent cream, and some they use mosquito coils. Okay, so here you can see the report of Rajat. Okay, name Rajat, age 11, year sex male. Then what that diagnosis? From the blood test, and the doctor found that fever with chills and rigors. Okay, so look at the report of the blood test given here. So you have to look at this report. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? So from this report, which word says that Rajat is having malaria? So in the report, we can clearly it clearly indicates that malaria parasite found in blood sample shows that the person is suffering from malaria. Here, malaria parasite is found in blood sample. From this report, we come to know that Rajat was having malaria. Okay, Rajat or any person is having malaria. Medicine for malaria. From early times, the dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. So in the olden days, what the people used to do, they used to dry the bark of cinchona tree, and they used to make it powder of that bark, and they used to take that powder for the treatment of malaria. Okay, earlier people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patients. What they used to do, at first they used to boil the powder, then after that they used to strain the water, and that water they used to give to patients. Now tablets are made from this. These days for malaria they will get tablets which is made from cinchona. Okay, so this much for today, and we will continue the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.